Are you looking for a home in the Kyrene School District with no HOA? Well, you found it here in Glen View Estates. Come on in and take a look. The first thing you'll notice is the soaring vaulted beam ceilings and the beautiful wood floors. Let's check out the kitchen and great room. The kitchen features brand new granite counters, new appliances, new stainless steel sink and faucet. Don't miss the wet bar. The spacious great room has a wood-burning fireplace, custom built-in entertainment center, and easy access to the backyard. But we're not going there just yet. First, we've got to see the main floor den. I know you want to see the pool, but let's take a look at the upstairs first. The primary suite has a separate shower, soaker tub, and updated vanity, and there's 3 other bedrooms along with the second bath. Your wait is over. Take a look at the pool and backyard. Out back, you'll find a beautiful sparkling pool with new variable speed pump and filter. There's plenty of grass area to play in and a large covered patio to relax on. This home is located within minutes to Intel, the Chandler Mall, and just 20 minutes to Phoenix Sky Harbor Airport. We hope you enjoyed the tour of this property. Make sure you put this on your must-see list.